Hello guys and welcome back to Gostech. Today I will show you how to import files from phone or camera. Click the import button here, then select import from phone or camera. Or go to File, Import Media, and then import from a camera or phone. Then you can see here writing import from. As you can see, I haven't connected any phone or camera and it writes no device connected. But if you have connected any device and it don't appear here, then click the refresh button here. After you have imported files, you can choose down here where to save. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And learn always something new every day.